change now in the arguments, as Pallavi is pointing out, that is being demanded by Sachin Pilot and camp. They are saying that the anti-defection law should not apply to a group if they want to switch from one party to another, or they want to form their own party. How is this likely to play out? This will be decided only at 1 p.m. In 2 hours from now, this matter will be heard by the Rajasthan High Court. This is, first of all, specifically challenging the Speaker's notice to MLAs, that is 18 rebel MLAs and Sachin Pilot, for indulging in active anti-party activities. And as we just pointed out, this is the big information that is coming in at the moment of the Sachin Pilot's amended petition that has been accessed by CNN News 18, and the High Court petition says, and I quote, that petitioners herein have indulged in alleged anti-party activities and have thereby led to the inference that petitioners have expressed their desire to voluntarily give up their membership of the party. The Speaker's notice violates the essence of democracy and aims at throttling dissent against persons in power. So this is the version that is now being brought in. This also kind of challenges the anti-defection law, so to speak. Zeba Varsi is now joining us with more details and also to help us understand what the Congress is now planning to do. Zeba, considering that this pretty much challenges the premise of the anti-defection law, which prevents MLAs, unless they are in huge numbers, from splitting a party, how is the Congress likely to take up this case? Because this is a bigger, broader argument that has been opened up.
See, for the Congress party, we of course know that the audio tapes that have surfaced, which have certain MLAs from Sachin Pilot camp can be allegedly heard making deals with a senior BJP leader. So that audio tape is also going to be used by the Congress party to essentially establish that certainly these people were in touch with another political party, and hence the anti-defection law and their suspicions to evoke the anti-defection law are well grounded. Okay. But if we talk about this particular amended writ petition that has been filed by Sachin Pilot and 18 other MLAs in the Rajasthan High Court, CNN NEWS18 has just accessed a copy of it. Now, the basic premise of this particular petition is that voluntary giving up of membership of political party, this clause cannot be so widely construed, because at the end of the day, a mere expression of dissatisfaction or even disillusionment against the party leadership cannot be treated to be to conduct falling within the clause. So essentially, just because Sachin Pilot and his supporting MLAs expressed dissatisfaction with Ashok Gehlot and other leaders in Rajasthan Congress unit, that doesn't mean that they are voluntarily leaving the party. So that is one aspect that this particular petition specifically highlights. Of course, Sachin Pilot's petition yesterday in the Rajasthan High Court also talked about how we are still with the Congress party and we are not leaving the party. So this particular clause should not be applied to us. Today, the matter will be heard at 1 p.m. Maha, like you said, in less than 2 hours from now. Rajasthan High Court will take this up. And both the Congress as well as the petitioners, which is Sachin Pilot and 18 other MLAs, are going to put forth their case.
Right, Zeba Varsi, many thanks for getting us all those details and updates. So hectic development.